Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a degree Celsius symbol in Microsoft Excel just by using a shortcut key. Well, that is very interesting. So let's go quick into the process. We first need to open Microsoft Excel. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Excel. Click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank workbook. Now let me just zoom this. So first is you need to look at the numeric keypad on your keyboard. Now, not all versions of Windows has numeric keypad and not all from the manufacturer has a numeric keypad. Well, that is fine. So I'm just going to show you or demonstrate it to you using the on-screen keyboard, which is a tool in all of the Windows. Okay, so what we can do, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type on screen keyboard. Now, this is the numeric keypad on the right pane. What we can do is we need to press the Alt key, this key, but you have to press the Alt key on your keyboard. That is on the right side of the Windows key. Press the Alt key, as you can see, and then press on your numeric pad on the right pane, 0176. Again, Alt key on your keyboard and press 0176. While you need to press the Alt key while you are going to press these numbers on the numeric keypad. Do not release your finger from the Alt key while you are pressing the numbers on the numeric keypad. So press the Alt key and do not release your finger, and then press 0176. And once you press 0176 on the numeric keypad, slowly release or gradually release your finger from the Alt key. And that's it. You have just created a degree Celsius symbol sign. Now let's do it again. Press Alt key and then 0176 on keyboard and gradually release your finger. And now the degree Celsius symbol has been created. Well, as easy as that, using the shortcut, again, it's Alt, ALT, and then 0176. Okay, it's A ALT plus 176. 0176. Okay, so it's not 176, it should be with 0 like that. ALT plus 0176. This is the final shortcut to make or create a degree Celsius symbol in Microsoft Excel. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.